Wairire biya umwancho muri wetasene Ndizi TV nindeno kwegena nga mbiya ogendrete nigo charagire CHINSA IKOMI chabono margoba chingaki na gwarigani nkomanya mangana maya sinchira yowenge unabeire kawatika ase omubaso orero ereteria ne DORCAS KEMUMA na nigo togo chikobwatrana nere LYDIA MOSE oyo kumanya ase enchira yemenyero nere mugambi okwana kinga amarigine chibicha awikeire ase enchira yobwekerano gukwenyoria na bogo meka asensemo ya Facebook asora tonyore buna Ndizi TV News Digital abuno gotonyora asensemeyo ye mtandao Facebook na boigo YouTube ogotonyora buna Ndizi TV News kuikagaria ase mtandao we website tonyore buna www.ndizitv.net. Omo County Commander w'abanyanyimbo imeye County ya Kisii Charles Kasese nigo atenenirie okorobekana oko kwabangire gokorekana azrituko ria ankyo ne kyombe kya ODM amo ne kyombe kiria kya Gusii Governance Watch oko kwarobeire rituko ria ankyo asebono atebire buna nigo egento kyagera abatenenia okorobekana ko na sengencho nigo korachi gotumana na CHINSA mecho ibere asebono arutirege kurege tindi ase bali babangete okorobekana ko asatebire muna okorobekana konde gwansi korachi wakorekana arituko ryank yokoni gokorabe mamencho yerichiko
is the ODM party which brought the notification of intention to hold a peaceful demonstration again from 19 for 2 weeks. So according to section 5 subsection 4 of our Public Order Act, 2 meetings cannot take place at the same time or at the same place. So they were denied on that premise. So upon analyzing both applications and due to security concerns, we have decided to cancel the first application from the Gusii Governance Watch, so that we concentrate, so that the both protesters cannot harm each other, or so that they cannot antagonize each other. So both demonstrations from the ODM and the Gusii Governance Watch stands cancelled from now. And any kind of demonstration that will take place will be treated as illegal demonstration. So that's the message that I wanted to pass to you.
Gotigana na yumwancho morigera na Oscar Mutwe nigo morai wense Dr. William Ruto litukoria rero ara omuyega bw'ekigosori ky'okwegya oyokolekana ase amagacho a State House ayo gotoka imeyo mochi o Nairobi chisukuru ao chiri cyaba kigokora buya ase amarameranyo y'ekigosori ky'okwegya ekyo cyaba kigokolekana ase chi county ao imeyense nigo litukoria rero cyanyora libagaria bene cyo kworokya ebyogwa byabo bosio bo murayi wense omukonyo yerigatikashawa umuwaziri w'ekisemi egati yabarayi bande chingaki aringe ase omunyegoyo Rutoni gate babuna nigo arachikone kingaba chiskuru cyanyolire abali mu bayisaine babwate amayigorio boigo aisaine asensemo yebyebwa buna kigosori cyokogya eryogo chikorokia aborokiwa kigosori ekyo nakoira ebirengo byigoro asensemo yebyebwa
of many of our Kenyan artists. In our mission, therefore, the performing arts are no longer mere extracurricular pursuits, but are fundamental components of education that are seamlessly integrated into the school curriculum, which now has defined pathways for the creative and artistic learners. Ezekiel Machoko and your team need to now develop curriculum for teachers of the arts space. The KICD have informed me that they have developed curriculum for students, but we additionally need to develop curriculum for teachers. so that we can have teachers who specifically are trained in the space of music, in the space of art, in the space of film, in the space of creative economy. I am persuaded that while it is true that we have promoted all the teachers, now I have had occasion to engage with the Teacher Service Commission. As I promised last year, 432 teachers who participated in the events last year were all of them promoted in January this year. I am looking forward to additional steps that will assist and augment what teachers are going through, including those who help us manage and put together and organize this great event. It is not easy.
Chenga kichuwa igo nigo ruto atebabuna nige serikali yaye ekendete kobeka emirobiro yogo chikone kinga ngoirabare mutwe ebirengo byebyegwa nonya goika ase chinse chiseko kaukwana chinga kichu muyego yo nigo atebabuna nigo ense ya Kenya erigati ye chinse cyo kirachi korokie ebyegwa byabo ase chinse cha isiko ase amaorokererio agramese ayo arengete go chigosira chigosori chukwegya amone byegwa binde au.
The department, actually the year before, I established the Department of Creative Economy under the Ministry of Youth Affairs, Creative Economy and Sports to develop the talent pipeline all the way from the school's ecosystem all the way to the marketplace. We also launched the Talanta Hela initiative, swiftly growing into a transformative government flagship, making tremendous progress in commercializing talent and creativity and innovation. Through Talanta Hela, we have a framework for identifying, nurturing, and monetizing talents in a bottom-up manner. Plans are underway to spread this to other creatives. This is why we have been deliberately seeking partnerships globally, securing a number of significant deals in our bid to transform the creative space into a mega industry with capacity to employ millions of youth and support sustainable livelihoods. During my visit to the US last year, we signed 3 historic agreements that are bound to immensely transform this talent space. One is our agreement with the Grammy Global Ventures, which places Kenya at the forefront of bringing the global value chain of Grammys to Africa through the Pan-African Recording Academy. We are already rolling out activities under this program and anchored by this agreement. Kenya is among the 4 countries that will now participate in the Grammys, and we have already put forward our bid to host the African headquarters of the Grammys.
Togotigana nayo nagoska mutwe niga wabaraibe kyama kyo diemo litukoria rero bakora egeikaro kyo borai imeyomochi o Nairobi ase baba bakorawa no moraibe kyama kyo Raila Odinga chinga ki cyo moyegoyo nigo Raila ainegeria abakenya buna nigo ekyame kyo kya ODM goika gechikoba ase obochori obonene obu mwaka bwechirwe 2022 ase aboria barai ase kyama kyo batige kolera igoro yobocheri obwa eta kurende babe bakweroberia boikirano asobo chori bole mutwe asebo igo asabire abakenya bali bonsi babwate okuganyo kuya kogosira abakenya basoe ase kyamekyo eryo kwenekinga barentire amontreri ase obugambi bole asenseto ya Kenya.
We agree that ODM need to move forward. ODM needs a new army of dedicated and fearless men and women who can imagine a mighty political mass movement in an era when many of our people are disappointed with political parties because of unfulfilled campaign promises. We agree that we need a band of young men and women to align the party to the shifting interests of Kenyans with a particular focus on economic upward mobility. Most importantly, we need a team whose singular focus is to take this party to power. ODM must rule. The party must reign. We have 2 years to prepare it for that. We must prepare this party to implement this country's the grand visions we hold that have only been delivered in bits and pieces. So today, I'm calling on our people to stop mourning and start organizing. Stop mourning and start mobilizing. Stay strong and start moving forward. And we move forward together as one. Our goal is to enable the party move ahead to change our country, change our politics, and change the way we are governed. We must start organizing to fight our opponents now and defeat them in the next general elections.
Togos komotuna gwikase ensemo yobachenu nige wizara yobachenu ebwate emeroberio yogochikugora omoroberio omoyia bwoko wenia asensemo yechinyagitari oyuboigo omanyekaine buna Social Health Insurance Fund chief ase bono barachikunyugura omoroberio yo ase chibesa chishiringi chibilioni inye aya nkolengana no molikyo botambe ase wizara yobachenu hari kimtai oyo oyikirana posio obwe EKOMI ye bunge ywetenete amangana yobachenu ase alikwerera inga kibabegete meroberio yogochikone kinga bagorire omoroberio yobachenu o chief kolengana na abanya committee baringase bunge yoni go barokia ogoichana na wateba muna tibaisanegeti igoro ya serikali gose wizare yokugora omoroberio yobachenu ase kerini go babete bakugora omoroberio bwene CHF oyo oeta ase bono batabwatete amaganyo aria abwenete na bayigo bateikiranetie emeroberio ya bwenete goikiraniwa.
Even as this act allows the CS to approve valuations by the board, does that allow the CS or the ministry to incur expenditure that was not budgeted for? And therefore the question is, since neither the ministry nor NHIF, whose budget is being inherited by SHA, has had requested for a new system, where is the money coming from?
When you say that whether we have breached the PMF Act, I want to say no. Whether we have used the Public Procurement and Disposal Act, in the process following the Public Procurement Act, I want to say yes, we followed the Act. That section, which gave us a special procurement, is only under the Public Procurement, is only given by the Cabinet Secretary of the National Treasury and not PPRA.
Mwancho morigeria aigana ngoikera omwere bwa mangana maya asenchera yobwenge kendera gotegereta korigerigeta sene kya Ndizi TV iribwesa omye na boigo kwemanya amange erietariane DORCAS KEMUMA na nigo twabatirana nere LYDIA MOSE oyuru kumanya gwetera asenchera yemanyerio nere mugambi onekinga amario ginechibicha agoikera asenchera yobwekenu kendera korigeria gitazeni kya Ndizi TV emeroberio wechingero nere papa antivirus ngochorora sore asege gitari egetambe twara oborigereria obuya.